In this video, we're going to show you how to connect the steps. To learn the choreography, we suggest you learn it in sections. Practice each section without the music first and then with the music. Also look at our demo videos and the written instructions for more musical cues. Now let's begin with the intro of this dance. For the intro, there are 2 sets of 8s, and we'll take a look at our demonstration first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. That's very simple. For the first set of 8s, I would just like you guys to have fun, listen to music, find the beats, and just have fun with it. For the second set of 8, you're going to walk towards each other. Either you're going to hold your partner's left hand, and then you're going to walk her out to the dance floor. Once you hit the center of the dance floor, you're going to give her a little spin in with your right hand, drawing a circle counterclockwise towards you. And then we'll be in a closed dance position like this. Notice our left hand, or leader's left hand, should be low, followed by your right hand is low, so that we are in a more relaxed, we call this a swing dance hold. Okay. And from here, we're ready to do our first dance pattern, which is the dance of the swing pattern 1. Before we break things down, let's take a look. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.